How to use Soundboard on Discord server. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now it's actually super easy to do and I'm just going to show you guys it step by step. So yeah, let's get started. Well, first of all, go to any server to actually use this. Now if you actually want to add your own sounds, you have to go to a server that you actually own or have permissions to. So I'm going to join this server, or I'm actually in this server right here. Now, how can you actually use the soundboard? Simply click on a voice channel. It can be any voice channel you would like to. Well, maybe it depends though, because maybe someone has actually disabled it. It can be any voice channel, but keep in mind that some servers might actually have the soundboard disabled right over there. Now, I don't, so I can just use it right over here, as you can see. Now, I'm going to click on it, and here I have a couple of different default sounds from Discord itself. Now, if you have Discord Nitro, you should be able to see all of the sounds from every single server that you are in. Now, you can actually use these sounds from that specific server outside of that server. So in your own server to another one, it doesn't matter. So that's if you have Discord Nitro. Now, I only have these right over here, as you can see. Now, I actually have my own sound right here as well. Now, how can you actually add your own? Well, right over here, it says add sound. Now, if I click on here, I can actually choose a file, which I'm going to do real quick. Now, over here, it says should be MP3, so not a WAV file, only 512 KB max and up to 5 seconds. So I can preview it, make it shorter. Here's the file name, and you can actually give it a name. So I'm going to call it this real quick, give it an emoji, and then upload the video or sound. Over here, you can also have the sound volume. You can change that. Now over here, I have all my sounds, and I can actually preview them right there as well. I can upload more. So this is actually in the settings. So if you were to go to server settings, it is right over here. Very easy. And right over here, I can actually send, I can actually use any of these sounds. So yeah, you can also favorite certain sounds so that they are on top. If you have sounds from other servers that you would like to use as well, then you don't have to scroll between all your servers. You can just favorite them, and there you go. So yeah, that is kind of it. That's how you can use the soundboard in a Discord server. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.